afternoon, everyone. I am Dia of class 10 and I am the head girl of our school.
Good afternoon, everyone, and I am Norisha of class 5 and I am the junior head girl of our school. As we gather here to commemorate a special event. This special event, which falls on October 2nd, marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, a global icon of peace and non-violent resistance.
And Norisha, do you know that this day is also known as the International Day of Nonviolence, which was established by the United Nations to promote the principles of nonviolence through education and public awareness.
Oh, so the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji is also known as the International Day of Nonviolence?
Yes. On this special occasion, I would like to invite the visionary leader of our school, the driving force behind our success, our beloved principal ma'am, Ms. Manisha Bhag.
This day reflects universal respect for Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi, leader of the Indian independence movement and pioneer of the philosophy and strategy of non-violence. Okay? And do you know, not only Mahatma Gandhi, there are other world leaders also who followed the same philosophy.
Now, let's hear from him his own journey of non-violence and maintaining peace in the world.
Non-violence is the mightiest weapon devised by the ingenuity of man. I follow non-violence as a key to freedom from the British.
Important role in our daily lives too. So let's watch a short video to learn the importance of non-violence.
Now, here's a person. She looks pretty ordinary, but did you know she has a secret superpower? In fact, you do too. Chances are you've already used it without even knowing it. Have you ever spoken up against something wrong, stopped a fight, shopped locally or supported ethical businesses, listened deeply to someone even when you disagree? Well, there you have it. You've been using nonviolence.
Before we dive deeper into our event, we have a special performance that will add a dynamic and vibrant touch to our celebration.
गांधी जी के सिद्धांतों की जरूरत है जो लोग भूल गए हैं। चलो हम गांधी जी के बारे में लोगों को बताएं जो ये भूल गए हैं।
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे।
So now here's another song performed by our students of the class of 1, which signifies unity and collaboration.
Change the world, lay the puzzle pieces out, find out what it's all about. Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world.
Now, as we come to the close of this wonderful celebration, it's my pleasure to invite to the stage our esteemed academic coordinator of UK curriculum, Ms. Kriti Chakraborty.
I leave with you the words of Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you want to see in the world. So let us be that change. The journey towards a non-violence world begins with each one of us. So let us spread the message of peace and non-violence in our communities and beyond. Thank you so much and have a peaceful day.